Ouvrez vos livres et prenez la page 44. Well, in the last class we studied pronouns en and y. Just recollect it. En replaces d and its variables, whereas y replaces agrav and its variables, also preposition of place. Now, based on that, there are few exercises that we will discuss now. Répondre en utilisant I. Reply using E, Y. Penses-tu à tes vacances? Do you think about your vacations? Oui, dash. So what can you answer there? Yes, I think about it. Now you have to replace à tes vacances by Y. So the answer will be J pense. J apostrophe Y pense. P-E-N-S-E. Next question. Va-t-il chez son cousin? Is he going to his cousin's house? Oui. Now chez son cousin. I told you Y replaces agrav and its variables, also preposition of place. Here chez is a preposition of place. Cousin's house. So chez son cousin can be replaced by Y. So the answer will be oui, il y va. I-L, Y, va. V-A. S'est-il caché derrière l'arbre? Did he hide behind the tree? Did he hide behind the tree? Now here you got a verb as se cacher. S-C-C-A-C-H-E-R. Se cacher means to hide oneself. Hide oneself. It's a reflexive verb. Now here the preposition is derrière l'arbre. Derrière means behind. It's a preposition. So derrière can be replaced by the preposition y. The answer will be no. No, he didn't. He didn't hide there. That should be the answer. No, il. What is the answer? Any. Il, ne, si. S apostrophe, y, est, pas. Il, ne, si, et, pas, caché. C-A-C-H-E, acute. And what is the auxiliary of se cacher? As se cacher is a reflexive verb, it takes être as auxiliary. So in the negative, the answer is il, ne. Any, S apostrophe, Y, est, pas. Il, ne. Between ne and pa, we put reflexive pronoun as se and e. Then you put the auxiliary, then pa. Seront-ils dans leur chambre? Will they? Seront-ils dans leur chambre? Are they in their room? Are they in their room? Seront is the future of the verb être. Now here the preposition is dans. Dans leur chambre. Oui, ils, ILS, ils seront. Yes, they will be there. Ils, ils seront. Next. Répondre en utilisant en. Reply using en. En means some of it and en replaces d and its variables. As-tu acheté une douzaine d'œufs? Did you buy a dozen of eggs? Here, the quantity, expression of quantity is given as une douzaine d'œufs. Oui, j'en ai acheté une douzaine. J apostrophe en ai. J'en ai acheté. En should be placed before the auxiliary. J'en ai acheté une douzaine. Es-tu descendu du train? Did you descend from the train? Du train. Again, du train. Du train should be replaced by en. The answer will be no. Je n'en, an apostrophe en. Je n'en suis pas descendu. Je n'en suis pas descendu. Descendu, the past participle must come after the auxiliary. Est-ce que Pierre sortira du bureau? Will Peter go out from the office? And sortira is a future form of sortir. And du bureau should be replaced by en. Oui, Pierre en sortira. Yes, Peter will go out from there. Puis-je prendre 3 livres? Can I take 3 books? Can I take 3 books? Oui. Yes. And see in the question it is can I. So in the answer it should be yes, you. Oui. Tu peux. P-E-U-S. Tu peux. On. En. Prendre. 3. The number should be noted. And as there are two verbs here, the pronoun should be placed between the two verbs. That is why you put en between pa and prendre. Now can you change this to negative? For negative, you don't have to use a number. That means, no, you don't take any of it. No, tu ne pas en prendre. You don't have to mention the number. Trois is not needed for negative form. Next, remplace les mots soulignés par I en. Replace the nouns, the words underlined by Y or en. Mettre le livre sur la table. Put the book on the table. Which form is this? This is imperative. Mettre is the imperative form of the verb mettre. Mettre is to put. Put the book on the table. Sur la table is to be replaced by which pronoun? By Y, because sur is on. Now, how will you replace it? Mettre le livre sur la table. So, where will you place Y? You have to place Y as mettre le livre. Mettre le livre. Next. METS-Y, le livre. Donne un bouquet de fleurs à ton ami. Give a bouquet of flowers to your friend. Bouquet de fleurs should be replaced by en. Now, how can you write it? Give one of it to your friend. Donne on un. Donne, after donne, you put en. Donne spelling will be D-O-N-N-E-S because you are bringing back the S. Donne is second person form. And after donne, you are putting en. And en is starting with a verb. So, add S. Bring back the S of donne. D-O-N-N-E-S and N. En. Donne à ton ami. N'entre pas dans cette salle. Don't enter this room. Dans cette salle, in this class. So, dans is to be replaced by the pronoun Y. So, what can be the answer? Where will you place it? Just in front of the verb. The negative imperative. In the negative imperative, the pronouns will be placed before the verb. So the answer will be ni entre pas, n apostrophe y, entre pas. Now if you want to change this to imperative affirmative, the answer will be entre e, E-N-T-R-E-S. There you are bringing back the S because y is treated as a pronoun. Entre e. Ne mange pas the ship. Don't eat any chips. The ship can be replaced by en. So answer will be non, n apostrophe en, mange pas. Non, mange pas. I hope you understood the pronoun en and y. Now, lis le texte. Read the text. La radio, la télévision et la presse écrite constituent les médias. Radio, television, press writes about it consists of the medias. Les médias nous donnent des nouvelles. The medias give us news et influence l'opinion publique and influence the public opinion. La radio, la télévision et la presse écrite constituent les médias. Radio, television and press constitutes the medias. The medias, les médias, nous donnent des nouvelles et influence l'opinion publique. Medias give us news and influence the public opinion. En France, il y a des chaînes de radio comme Europe on, RF on, France Musique, Radio, etc. In France, there are some radio channels like Europe 1, RF1, France Musique, Radio, etc. Il y existe aussi de diverses chaînes de télévision publiques ou privées comme Canal+, France 2, TF1, Paris Première. There also exist different television channels, public television channels, different public television channels or private channels like Canal+, France 2, TF1, Paris Première. Complete le tableau avec les mots suivants. Complete the box with the following words. Auditeur is internet, station, station, FM, publicité, sapé, téléfilm, téléspectateur, viewer, présentateur, presentator. Entrevue, émission, information, chaîne, réseau, câble, internet cable. So you have to divide these three and write in the three boxes. Concern la radio, which is concerned about radio, I have to write in the first column. Then number 2, concern la télévision, concern with the television, and concern with both of it. These three you have to write it separately. Now, répondre, the reply. Nomme quelques chaînes de télévision en France. Name some television channels in France. It's given here. You have to write it. That is TV5, TV1, Canal Plus, France, etc. Nomme quelques chaînes de radio en France. Name some radio stations in France. That is also given here. Europe on, RF1, France, music, France Music Radio, etc. Now, given are some journals: L'Express, Le Figaro, Le Monde, Le Français, Le Monde, Al, JDF, Le Journal. The full form of JDF is Le Journal des Enfants. Now, coming to the next page. Lis le dialogue. Read the dialogue. Pauline, quel journal achètes-tu? Which journal do you buy? Denis, Le Monde. Le Monde is a famous newspaper in France. Pauline, quelle rubrique lis-tu? Which heading, which article do you read? Lis is a conjugation of the verb lire, L-I-R-E. Now just recollect the conjugation of lire: L-I-S, L-I-S, L-I-T, L-I-S-O-N-S, L-I-S-E-S-E-Z, and L-I-S-E-N-T. Denis. Now, one thing to be noted here, quelle rubrique? Which article do you read? Rubrique is which gender? By looking at quelle, Q-U-E-L-L-E, you can confirm the gender of rubrique as feminine. What is quelle? Quelle is interrogative adjective. Denis, moi, je lis le sport. Myself, I read sport. Pauline, moi, la politique étrangère. Myself, I read foreign politics. Now, un journal. Le Monde et the Times of India sont des journaux quotidiens. Le Monde and Times of India are daily newspapers. Quotidien is daily. Un magasin. L'Express est un magasin hebdomadaire. Express is a weekly magazine. Hebdomadaire is L'Express est un magasin hebdomadaire. Hebdomadaire is weekly. Express is weekly. A Reader's Digest est un magasin mensuel. Reader's Digest is monthly. Une review. Le Français dans le monde est une review. The French in the world. Le Français dans le monde est une review is a magazine. Une review is a magazine. Now, after learning this, you have to do this questions. You have to answer these questions. That is, choisis la bonne réponse. Choose the correct answer. Je me suis abonné à un lecture, un dessin, une review. I took membership at lecture. Lecture means is reading. On dessin, drawing, une review. Une review is the correct answer, is magazine. La nouvelle est dans le numéro. The news is in the number, dans l'image, in the picture, dans les journaux. News can be seen in the journals. So, dans les journaux. On achète les journaux chez le marchand de journal. We buy journals in the journal shop, from the journal shop, marchand. À la piscine, in the swimming pool or restaurant, in the restaurant. So we buy the journals from the shop. That is le marchand de journal. Hebdomadaire paraît une fois par mois. Hebdomadaire is weekly, seems once in a month. Jour, once in a day. Semaine, once in a week. Hebdomadaire is weekly, so semaine should be ticked. Une chaîne française est TF1. Le Monde, Star Plus. So, French channel is TF1. Devine ce son, on parle. Define. What is tone? Un journal qu'on achète tous les jours. A journal which we buy every day, journal which we buy every day, that means that is quotidien, Quotidien, daily, every day is quotidien. C'est là qu'on achète le journal, it's from there we buy journal. Where? Le marchand de journal, the person who sells the journal, marchand. Celui qui lit un journal, the one who reads a journal, the one who reads a journal, un lecteur. Celui qui écrit des articles pour un journal, the one who writes articles for a journal, éditeur. Éditeur. Un magazine qui paraît tous les mois, a magazine which seems every month, tous les mois, every month is mensuel, M-E-N-S-U-E-L, mensuel. Now, Chasse Landru, tick the odd one. Le Monde, Le Figaro, L'Express, La Libération. All these, Le Monde, Figaro, Express, all these are journals. La Libération is a magazine. La Fête d'Hiver, La Météo, La Quotidien, La Culture. Which is the correct answer? Le Quotidien means daily. TF1, France 2, Canal Plus, Europe. Which is the odd one? Europe. Le présentateur, le feuilleton, les actualités, la publicité. The presentator, feuilleton is serials, actualité news, publicité is advertisement. So the answer is présentateur. Un journal, un quotidien, un hebdomadaire. A journal, daily, weekly. Odd one is a journal. Next. Complete le message avec les mots suivants. Complete the message with the following words. Te accompagner argent. Akansha. Je suis venu dash voir à 17h. I came to see you. That should be the answer. I came to see you at 17 hours. That is te. Je prends un train de minuit pour aller en Suisse. I take a train, midnight train to go to Switzerland. En Swiss. Swiss is which gender? It's feminine gender. Say dash. It is urgent. Urgent. Demain, je ne pourrai pas te dash au concert. Tomorrow, I couldn't. I cannot. Accompany you. Accompagner. Accompagner should be in infinitive because already one verb is conjugated. That is pourrait. On concert. Désolé, sorry, Denny. Now, mets les phrases à la forme negative. Put the sentences in the negative form. This is very important. Akansha a des lettres à écrire avant de partir. Akansha has some letters to write in front of, before leaving. Akansha has some letters to write before, avant this, before leaving. Now the negative form will be, Akansha doesn't have any letters. Akansha n'a pas de lettres. N apostrophe a pas de, de lettres à écrire avant de partir. Kunal a une grande voiture comme son voisin. Kunal has a big car like his neighbor. So this should be changed to negative as put the verb between na and pa. Kunal n'a pas de grand. Kunal doesn't have any. Kunal a une grande voiture comme son voisin. Kunal has a big car like his neighbor. So this can be changed to negative as Kunal n'a pas, an apostrophe a pas, de, grande voiture comme son voisin. Il reste 5 mois à Paris. He stays 5 months at Paris. So changing to negative as il ne reste pas 5 mois à Paris. Put the verb reste between na and pas. Il ne reste pas 5 mois à Paris. Je veux le voir le jour de mon anniversaire. I want to see him on his birthday. On my birthday. Le jour de mon anniversaire. Je veux le voir. I want to see him on my birthday. What can be the negative? Je ne veux pas le voir. Just put verb between ne and pas. Je ne veux pas le voir le jour de mon anniversaire. Elle boit du café juste avant de dormir. She drinks coffee just before sleeping. She drinks coffee just before sleeping. So elle ne boit pas, put boit between na and pa. Elle ne boit pas de café just avant de dormir. One more exercise. Remplis par les pronoms I ou on. Fill up the pronouns with y or en. Es-tu allé en France cet été? Did you go to France this summer? Oui, je suis allé en France. I told you, en France, en must be replaced by, as a place, it should be replaced by y. Oui, J apostrophe y, suis allé. Paul a-t-il acheté des légumes au marché? Paul, did he buy vegetables from the market? Des légumes should be replaced by en. Oui, il en a acheté. Il en a acheté. Next. As-tu mis tes livres dans le sac? Did you put your books in the bag? No, I didn't put. So dans le sac should be replaced by y. I didn't put the books there. Ni, an apostrophe y. ai pas mis les livres. Est-il sorti du restaurant? Did he go out from the restaurant? Du restaurant should be replaced by en. I told you d and its variables. Oui, il en est sorti. Il en est sorti. Yes, he went out from there. As-tu pensé à tes projets d'avenir? Did you think about your future projects, future plans? No. Now, tes projets d'avenir can be replaced by y. No, j'en ai pensé. No, I didn't think about it. So, tes projets d'avenir should be replaced by y. So, with this, we wind up our today's class, and next we continue in the next class. Until then, bye, au revoir, merci.